going to solve some equations by substitution and by elimination. Substitution basically means that you take one of the equations and get one of the variables by itself. So for example, if I take this equation here, I can easily get x by itself by adding y to both sides of the equation. Then I can take this other equation, and every place I see an x, I'm going to replace it with y plus 2. And I'm going to solve this for y. Two y plus y is 3y. Subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. I get 3y is 9, therefore y is 3. And I can take my y is 3 and plug it in up yonder, and I'm going to get x equals 3 plus 2, therefore x is 5. So my ordered pair is 5, 3. X is 5, y is 3. Let's do another. Technically, when you do this, you can get either variable by itself in either equation, but I would suggest doing whatever is going to be the easiest. And in this case, I would say the first equation is the easiest because y is already by itself. So I'm going to substitute in for this y with 7 plus x. One equation, one variable, easy to solve. I'm going to distribute the 2. Combine like terms. Going to subtract 14 from both sides of the equation. Divide by 5, and we get x is negative 2. I'm going to take the original equation that I was using. I'm going to replace the x value with negative 2, and we end up with 5. So the answer to this problem, what x values would you use? What x and y values? Use an x value of 2 and a y value of 5. Now let's look at the elimination method. You can use any method anytime, but sometimes one method is just simpler than another. So I'm going to write the equations on top of each other, one above the other. Now if I add these two together so that one of my variables cancels out, that's what I would want to do. And here, these y's are going to cancel if I add these together. X plus 2x is 3x, minus y plus y is 0, 1 plus 8 is 9, and if you divide both sides by 3, you get x is 3. Then take one of your equations, doesn't matter which one, rewrite it, but now that I know that x is 3, I'm going to plug a 3 in for the x value, solve the equation for y, and now I know that the x and y values that work for this are 3, 1. X is 3 and y is 1. Let's do one more of these little fellas. This is elimination again. I'm going to write the equations on top, one above the other. Doesn't matter how I do it. I want to add these together so that I cancel out one of the variables. Currently that won't happen. But if I multiply the bottom equation by negative 1 every term, it's going to change the signs. Then when I add these together, I'm going to get negative 2x plus 0 equals negative 4. Therefore x is 2. Once I know that's 2, I can plug the 2 in to the x value of either equations. I'm going to use this first one for no specific reason. And I'm going to get 8 plus 3y is 17. And then I'm going to get 3y is a 9er. Thusly, y is 3, so my ordered pair is going to be 2, 3. Please do exercise set 168 to 172.